how to add flight mode shortcut on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. So if you want to add flight mode shortcut on lock screen, so click on shortcut and click on this no app. And if you want to add flight mode, so you will see click on flight mode. So after click on flight mode, click on done. So after click on done, you will see flight mode is add on lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add flight mode shortcut to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.